Hey people, and welcome to Sunday. Yeah. I have an alarm set for 7 for my Saturday. Primarily so I can get up to watch MLB. So yeah. Why am I up earlier? I can tell you. I'm ultimately surprised I haven't actually woken anyone up. I've had to sneak downstairs a few times to get things like snacks and bring dishes down and stuff. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go back to watching a TRG stream. You folks hear that? I wonder. Looks like we got a drizzle. Okay. Oh look. There's like a yellow out right there. That's a newspaper. Yep. Starting to sound like rain. That's just great. So, do you guys have any plans you want to take care of? Or do you have anything you typically do on the weekend? Like, you know, some people get up on Saturday for cartoons, some people go to church on Sunday. I actually used to be a person who went to church on Sunday. But older brother kind of put an end to that. I will never know why. No, seriously, I never was told the reason. Yeah. I'm just curious if you guys have any, like, weekend traditions you go through. So, yeah. And sorry if you can't see me. It's just, if you guys can hear that sound coming from the ceiling fan, I'm getting kind of tired of hearing that. So, yeah, just make do. I'll see if I can try and find a way to brighten up the clip or something. I don't know. If you're having trouble seeing, my window is indeed wet, meaning, yeah, it's starting to get a little bit more rainy, less drizzly. Hang on, I'm turning this lamp on. Seriously, one of these days you are getting moved higher up, because I seriously worry that thing's gonna fall on me when I'm asleep. I mean, seriously, look, there it is, like right there. So based on arc, trajectory, and all the like, then here's my bed. So if that top part snaps, right onto my legs. Up, TV signal. Alright. I can't tell. I mean, it looks like it's working, but a little fritzy. Oh wait, we're good. We're good. TV's good. And the reason that matters, if TV isn't good, laptop isn't good. So, yeah. Also, yesterday I saw the season finale of Ninjago. Needless to say, without spoiling anything, if you're gonna watch it, get some tissues ready. It's a sad ending. And it really does explain why Lloyd kind of wanted to be alone at the start of Shadow of Ronin, the video game that connects the recently concluded season to the next season. Also, I might add, Lloyd is the only character to have his TV show voice actor reprise his role. No one else has their show voice actor for whatever reason. Katie assumed it was budget when I told him about it. Was that one of my other friends? I don't remember. I just know it was one of my friends who assumed it was budget. So, one of my friends did indeed say it was indeed Lloyd because she claims that she can recognize his voice a mile away or something like that. I don't remember all the details of what she said. I'll, type out what she said exactly later on. Now it's starting to look like rain. Look at Kyogre. I'm coming for you. Someday. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to videos and stuff. I've officially beaten All-Star Mode with my 3 mains. Mega Man, Rosalina and Luma, and Falco. Yep. I'm proud of myself. Look here and see what doesn't belong. Alternate Falco, alternate Rosalina, normal Mega Man. Heh, that's funny. This kind of looks familiar. Well, I've officially beaten All-Star Mode with my 4th main who you saw in the previous clip. Now you will see who the 4th main is. Lucina. So we have Super Fighting Robot, Protector of the Galaxies, Intergalactic something or other, and Time Display Swordfire. Yeah, that works. As you can plainly see, nothing is on. We lost power. Yeah. I'm very happy about that.